Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Pregnancy is one of the happiest phases in any woman's life. It is important for moms to eat healthy for the sake of their babies. Apart from a balanced diet, pregnant moms can also drink juices to up the nutrition they intake. Here is a list of 5 juices that are a must-have during the phase of pregnancy. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are loaded with vitamin A and essential antioxidants. This juice boosts your energy levels by providing all the essential nutrients, especially iron, to avoid anemia issues. Carrot juice. Carrots contain all the vitamins that are essential for the mother as well as the child. It helps to boost the eye health of your baby. A glass of carrot juice every day ensures healthy eyesight of the child. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is a rich source of numerous nutrients. Moreover, it does not contain any fat, thereby avoiding obesity issues. Apple juice. Apple is considered the perfect fruit that helps to avoid doctors. It contains all essential vitamins and minerals. It is strongly recommended to pregnant ladies to get the best health benefits. Coconut water. This is one of the perfect juice types which are completely natural and safe for expectant mothers. Besides being refreshing, it also helps to regain the natural salts of the body. It also keeps you hydrated through the day. Thanks for watching. Comment below your favorite juice during pregnancy. Share this video to your pregnant friends or family members. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more health tips and recipes.